Madras Institute of Technology, MIT. MIT was merged with Anna University in the year 1978. 60 years hence, it continues to be a pioneer in courses that it gave birth to, and it is already renowned for producing the scientific community in more nascent courses such as computer science and information technology. MIT has produced great scientists like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, versatile genius like Sujata, and many more. And the broad based education coupled with practice oriented training in their specialty has enabled the students of MIT to handle with skill and success a wide variety of technical problems. The Madras Institute of Technology has developed into an important center of engineering education and earned an excellent reputation both in India and abroad. MIT had received many awards, which includes an award for Best Overall Performance awarded by Indian Society of Technical Education ISTE during the year 1999. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at MIT are Aeronautical Engineering, Automobile Engineering, Instrumentation Engineering, Production Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Rubber and Plastic Technology, Computer Science and Engineering, Information Technology, and Electronics and Communication Engineering. The cutoff marks for MIT for various casts and for various departments are: for OC it is 198 to 199.5, for BCM it is 193 to 199, for BC it is 195 to 198, for MBC it is 193 to 197, for SC it is 182 to 194.5. The facilities at MIT are: the cooperative stores. All the students of MIT campus, both full-time and part-time, have access to MIT Students Cooperative Store. When the students are admitted, they will pay rupees 2000 as cooperative store fees, out of which rupees 200 will be for membership and the remaining amount 1800 will be adjusted towards the purchase of items from the cooperative store as credit sales. Separate cash sales will be done in the stores, and stores purchase all the stationery items at wholesale price and sell the same to the students at low profit cost. Central Library. The MIT has well equipped libraries stacking nearly 82,923 volumes of choice books in various engineering subjects and basic sciences. The library subscribes to 100 periodicals. Besides, library has 10,500 bound volumes of periodicals and 10,000 standards. A separate digital knowledge center has been established in order to enable the users to browse the e-journals, e-learning materials, digital library, collection of this campus and the other online journals. Online e-sources include IEEE, Science Direct and Scopus. This facility is available intranet of the campus. Hostel. MIT Hostel has 6 blocks, 4 for men students and 2 for women students. Separate vegetarian and non-vegetarian kitchens and 3 dining halls with total seating of about 500 students. All dining halls have granite top dining tables, water coolers, pest traps, UV lamps and music playback facilities. Student Miss Committee decides the menu and monitors the purchases. Miss Bill is calculated based on the principle of dividing system. A reverse osmosis water treatment plant of capacity 500 liter per hour supplies hygienic water to the entire campus. Hospital. Health center facility with attached inpatient ward is available at MIT campus. It is located in the hostel zone for the convenience of hostelers. All students and teaching and non-teaching staff of Anna University in MIT campus, including members in other campuses of Anna University and their dependents, are eligible to avail the services of health center. Health center is committed to provide quality treatment services as free of cost. Sports. MIT has huge and spectacular sport facility covering an area of 28 acres of land at MIT main campus and at Annexure Rani Totem 1 kilometer away from main campus. Sports facility at MIT main campus includes volleyball, ball badminton, kabaddi, kho and has been provided to students and staffs at MIT. Indoor sport facilities includes basketball court, 5 badminton courts, weightlifting training equipment, a mini platform to perform fitness exercises, and tables to play table tennis. Placement at MIT. The recruiters at MIT is listed from A to Z on the screen, and the main are Amazon, Aspire Systems, Caterpillar, Carrot Lane Trading, Cavincare, Citicorp, Cognizant Technology Solutions, Ericsson India, Fidelity Investments, Federal Bank, FIS Global, Godrej and Boys, HDFC, HCL, Hyundai, IBM, IOC, IndusInd Bank, Infosys, ITC, L&T, ECC, L&T Infotech, Lanson and Turbo Limited, Latent View Analytics, Microsoft, Mindgate Solutions, Murugappa Group, Nokia Solutions and Networks, Oracle, Philips Innovation, Philips India Limited, Ramco Groups, Ramco Systems Limited, RBS, Renault Nissan Technology, Samsung R&D, Sony India Software, TCS, Technip, Tiger Analytics, Titan India, TVS Motor Company Limited, VTV Software, Wipro, Zoho, ZoomRx, and many more. Why MIT? The UG students, PG and PhD scholars, as well as the faculties of MIT, are exposed to research activities pertaining to which workshops and faculty development programs are held throughout the year. The two centers dedicated to research at MIT are AUKBC, Anna University KBC Center for Internet and Telecom Technologies, and CART, Center for Automotive Research and Training. Also, the faculty and students of specific departments also carry out researches in their respective fields. Mitra, Robotics Association of MIT. Mitra serves to impart a flavor of interdisciplinary skills through real-time projects and interactive. The Mitra is committed to provide all department students of MIT with a new experience to develop technologies in addition to their syllabus. The association makes them face the developing world with competitive knowledge and skills, and importantly, it promises to do all this as your Mitra, that is your friend. The real museums are where time is transformed into space. MIT Museum portrays the pride of MIT through its displays, wall hangings, photos, videos, models, etc. MIT Museum is an organization acting as a bridge between MIT alumni and the present students. MIT Museum also provides opportunities for the current students to interact with the alumni, to enhance their knowledge, to shine in their placement or career, to glow brightly in the next 40 years of real life situations. The college counseling code for MIT is number 4. Contact college at 044-2251-6000 or 2251-6002 or 6008. The website is www.mitindia.edu. The college is located at MIT campus, Anna University, Krompet, Chennai 44. Opposite to Krompet railway station, Tambaram Taluk, Kanchipuram district. And mail ID is dean@mitindia.edu.